Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to customize and use your own logo with a green screen subscribe button. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to help others discover it as well. Start by visiting my YouTube channel and select the video section. Look for a video titled Copyright Free Subscribe button, and give it a like to support my channel. Check the video description for a clickable Google Drive link. Open the Google Drive link and log in with your Google Drive account. After that, download the 10 green screen subscribe buttons, one by one. First, open the KineMaster application on your device. Select Create a video, and choose your video size. Example, I choose 16:9. Go to Advanced and select Fill Mode, then click Create. Then import the before downloaded green screen video. Trim and split the video to remove any unwanted clips. Click the layer icon, and select media, then import your PNG or JPEG logo to the timeline. Select that logo timeline, resize and position the logo as desired. Ensure that the video and logo have the same duration by dragging them to the end of the timeline. Click the export button, and save the file to your device. To use the exported green screen subscribe button, import any video into KineMaster. Select the layer icon, then select media and import, then exported green screen video file. You can crop the green video to remove any unwanted areas. First select the green screen timeline, then click Chroma Key option. Then click Enable button. Apply the chroma key effect by selecting a subject image area of 28, and a subject background image area of 72. Remember that the chroma key effect values depend on the green screen video you have selected. After that, customize the size and position of the subscribe button video. Then place it wherever you want on your main video. Same like you can repeat the process for any other green screen subscribe buttons you have. That's it. You have successfully customized and used your own logo with a green screen subscribe button. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider sharing it with others, and subscribing to my channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching.